Namaste and welcome to India Meteorological Department for weekly weather review and forecast for next 2 weeks. I am Dr. R.K. Janamani, Senior Forecaster, National Weather Forecasting Center. So this week the significant weather systems are: the number 1 is the low pressure, the remnant. It moved from Odisha and North Andhra Pradesh coast initially to East MP and then East Uttar Pradesh. Then the new system that is developed is the east-west shear line from the Konkan coast to Odisha, and sometimes it runs also Gangetic Coastal. And then we have low-level convergence running from central Pakistan towards the Gangster. We have in the beginning of the week, western disturbance affected North India, extreme North India, 2 to 3 days. So all these weather systems have helped in the surge in the monsoon winds in lower level, very strong southwesterly wind across Arabian Sea, right from the Kerala coast to Gujarat coast. So it helps the rapid progress of the monsoon towards northwest and central India up to South Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and East UP. And because of this, India got successively second week excess rainfall as a whole. However, small pocket in the West Rajasthan got heat waves. Now coming to the cloud features from our INSAT 3D, one can see the continuous movement of the cloud from the Arabian Sea towards west coast and central India. In addition, also Bay of Bengal, very strong convection in the coast which also entered to central India and adjoining East UP. One can also see the associated wind features with the low pressure remnant from Odisha moved to East UP and circulation over Konkan and east-west shear zone. So because of these features, we got a very good rainfall in the second week, and monsoon was active west coast, northern peninsula, east and northeast India. Coming to the major features of this week, one can see this line is the 11th June. Monsoon advanced only up to southern part of the peninsula, part of the northeast, but by 17 June, within 6 days, monsoon made a quantum progress, rapid progress, right from Goa to South Gujarat up to Kandla, from Chennai of the Tamil Nadu north to central India up to most part of Madhya Pradesh to Khajuraho, and in the eastern belt from northeast India up to East UP to Varanasi. So this is a very rapid progress of the monsoon during the week, and incidentally Mumbai also got the monsoon advance on 14 June. So coming to the rainfall, this is the day-to-day rainfall. So initially the heavy rainfall was restricted to east coast, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, and in the second half it was mostly over the west coast. This is about heavy rainfall, but distribution wise it was very well distributed, and mostly the new area where monsoon covered has received very good rainfall. And then this is the weekly total rainfall met subdivision wise over India. So one can see the distribution color also. The red is the deficient, blue and other color. This shows excess rainfall. So large area, well distributed rainfall, excess to normal, except few pockets like Tamil Nadu, which of course is a rain shadow, does not get much in the monsoon. Other like hill area, 2 subdivision, Jammu Kashmir and West UP, they got deficit. So total we have 100 millimeter. Actual rainfall normal 76, so the departure is plus 32%. So this is the rainfall status, and northwest part of India also got rainfall. One can see this yellow and green color due to western disturbance. This is the status of current weather system today. We have circulation over this border of north, south Bihar, then southeast UP. Circulation is forming east-west line also, that is the main line which will ultimately come as a monsoon trough, started establishing. Then we have circulation over Konkan. So all this system and a weak WD is approaching to north. All this system is favoring towards the end of the week, as the system will settle down with more intensification, advance of the monsoon towards the northwest India. This is the wind and rainfall pattern from our model. For next 7 days, one can see this blue and red color. These are the good rainfall area So one can see the rainfall approaching to Delhi and further the Western Himalayan region. So we expect the advance of the monsoon starting new advance from 22nd June, the fresh spell, and also Delhi from 25th June. So one can see the weekly rainfall cumulative extended rain forecast. So week 1 and week 2, that is 25th June and 1st July for 7 days. One can see this week there has been some reduction of the rainfall. Northeast and eastern India continue to get normal and excess rainfall, also heavy rainfall. West coast part of the India will get, particularly Karnataka and South Konkan. Already last 3-4 days it rained heavily. It has reduced today little, but it will continue. More focus will be on eastern and northeast India. So these will get excess rainfall. In the week 2, whole India is blue color. That shows it's a very good excess to normal rainfall distribution over most part of India. And then coming to the next system, that is the temperature. If you see the weekly temperature past week, the blue and green shows the colder temperature maximum, this one. And then if we see the other temperature also, the temperature was mostly lower than the normal. So the forecast summary for the week 1, conditions likely to become favorable for further progress of the monsoon towards northwest India, particularly the Western Himalaya and Uttar Pradesh also, 22 to 24th June, as I told already, the forecast. Southwest monsoon also likely to reach the 25th June, and under such scenario, normal to above normal rainfall over most part of east and northeast India. And then maximum, the heat wave already is in isolated pocket over Rajasthan, so this will continue. West Rajasthan, maybe East Rajasthan 1 or 2 days. So next 2 to 3 days it may be there, but thereafter from 22nd, 23rd onwards, some thunderstorm rain may occur. Week 2 is a complete favorable features are developing. So the monsoon will cover most part of northwest India and hence most part of the country during the week. So monsoon circulation to strengthen further with well-defined monsoon trough. I was showing in the graphic. From this impact of these features, rainfall activity will increase relative to the first week, particularly in the northwest India and central India and Gujarat. And maximum temperature, most of the India will have below normal temperature, that is colder than normal. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. I request all of our viewers to please in the wait for this talk again for the next week at the same time. Thank you for your patience hearing. Thank you.